All right. So what we're doing is we're adding just a little bit of chord melody to our work on the C scale, playing the beginning part of A Joy to the World. So I'm going to move in a little bit closer. Here's the melody. We're just doing a descending C scale, which sounds like this. But the song has these certain rhythmic patterns. So we're doing still a descending C scale, and we're just going to stay on a C major chord. That's the harmony. So I'm playing all 4 strings on that first note because it lands on the A string. We love that. So we can use the G, C, and E as harmony. Now this note is an E. The melody note is an E, and that means we can play the G string, C string, and the E string, which is the melody, as harmony. And then we go to a D, and then the last note in this beginning run, which is all we're going to talk about right now, is a C string. So remember the melody in a chord melody, that each note has to be the highest pitch. So if this little note here is the highest pitch, the only note we can play with harmony, as harmony, is that G right here. So now the technique becomes a pinch, like that. Block chord, block chord, and a block chord, which is a pinch, just 2 notes. So we have 4 notes of harmony, 3 notes, 2 notes. Because remember, a chord is 2 or more notes. Harmony is 2 or more notes. And so just using those fundamentals, see what you can come up with the next part of the song. I'll give you a hint. We're going to go to an F chord, to a G7, and here's the good news. Woohoo! The melody falls on the A string. So see what you can come up with.